Well, we made it out to the Joondalup Sprint for our first race since we done some repairs on the VH. Pretty keen to get it running and have a go and see how we fare today. We did scrutineering yesterday at Joondalup Library, and then there was a bit of a show and shine as well. Lots of cars around and lots of competitors today as well. It's a field of 150. Yeah, pretty excited. So we get 6 runs each, Dad and I, 2 siding ones and 4 timed runs. Looking forward to the event. Hopefully the car holds together. Not going to be going too serious today, just out here for a bit of fun and taking the opportunity to roam the streets. Let's get into it. Just done my first run out. It was a little bit slippery, tyres are cold, brakes are cold. The track layout's fine.
Oh, yeah.
Hey Richard.
Good.
How are you?
We'll be doing a fair bit of this waiting today.
Oh, yeah, lots of waiting around. Staging, ready to go. So changing of the clutch on the Mini here. And yeah, queuing up down the alley. So many Minis. Woo. Just done my second run out. Went pretty well, a bit smoother that time, I guess. Still got a little bit tail happy. But good to see.
Good run.
Yeah.
Really good.
And Dad's felt fast as well from the passenger seat too. Even my sphincter was a little bit tight at some points. But good to see heaps of crowd out, and even Mum's come to join us. And yeah, it's going well. It's actually picked up now. We're not waiting for lots of people to crash and clean up, so hopefully it continues trouble-free the rest of the day. So we finished up for the day. Joondalup Sprint is done and dusted. No scars on the car, no Herbs kit. Curbs hit? Herbs kit? Curbs. Lots of other curbs hit by lots of other cars. I think we had a red flag every 30 minutes or so, which is not great. Lots of long wait times in the car. But yeah, the V8 performed perfectly,
Very well.
I think.
Yeah,
No
very well
dramas,
indeed.
really.
Better driving than I thought we would do, especially you.
Yeah. I think we
Yeah.
both drove pretty well.
Oh, you
Sort
got
of went to the limit.
the 3 seconds less to prove it.
Oh, it's not quite. Your last run was really good.
Yeah, well,
Going by
that
our
was my
timing, I
best
had
run.
a 206 and Dad just cracked a 207 at the end.
Yeah.
So that was really good. Hey, we're not in it to win it here.
No.
We're way down the scale on the actual competition leaderboard, but yeah, it was a good fun day out, I think,
Right,
as well.
yeah, absolutely.
Fun to race around the streets. Had lots of friends and family come out to support us, which is amazing.
Yeah, Uncle Howard. Howard.
We'll do it again next year, I reckon.
So, I think they open up a couple of those corners, but
Yeah.
it was still pretty fun.
It was. It was.
Oh well, hope you enjoyed watching.
off.
Yeah, we'll run a couple. Yeah, you'll
Maybe
see.
next weekend. Collie.
Oh yeah, we're doing more motor racing next week. Whether you see that or not, we'll see. May not do a video, but yeah, it's good fun back in the hot seat after having a bit of a hiatus.
Yep, sure is.
See ya. Nothing like some last minute prep. Rolling the arches so we can fit these 255s properly and hopefully no scrubbing. Preventative measures, let's call it that.